Welcome to this exclusive gated community of Oak Arbor Estates, located just 13 miles from the largest medical center in the world. Hi, I'm Norka Jenkins with Honesty Properties, and today we're taking a look at a premier listing located at 2504 Baywater Canyon. This is a custom Frederick Harris home built in 2008, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 2 bedrooms on the first level, 3 upstairs with a game room and media room, and a gorgeous outdoor resort swimming pool. So we're going to take an opportunity to go inside and take a look.